is known as amber. It sometimes contains plant material or small animals that were trapped inside. Some plants are carnivores, gaining nutrients by eating various small insects and spiders. A well-known example are protected. More than half of plant species are native to just one country. 68% of plants are in danger of going extinct. Did you know that an average strawberry has 200 seeds? And it is the only fruit that bears its seeds on the outside. An average pomegranate can have more than 1,000 seeds. The tiniest tree in the world is dwarf willow. It is about 2 inches in size. The oldest trees in the world, California bristlecone pines and giant sequoias, are regarded as the oldest trees that are known to live 4,000 to 5,000 years. And carrots were originally purple in colour. And an apple is 25% air, which is why it floats on water. A notch in a tree will remain the same distance from the ground as the tree grows. A pineapple is a berry. Arrowroot is an antidote for 4 poisoned arrows. Both George Washington and Thomas Jefferson grew cannabis